You're shopping online. You add a new laptop to your cart, and instantly the site suggests a wireless mouse. Or you buy a phone charger, and a screen protector pops up next to it. It feels incredibly intuitive. It's almost as if a seasoned store clerk is standing right there, anticipating exactly what you need before you even ask. Under the hood, the retail database registers your purchase as raw, unstructured transactional noise. And that noise is immense. With millions of data rows flowing in every single second, it is mathematically impossible for human analysts sitting with standard spreadsheets to manually spot these connections. To process this volume, retailers rely on data mining, specifically a descriptive framework known as association rule mining. Finding a recurring pattern hidden in the static is only the first step. The true challenge of data mining is statistically proving that the pattern actually means something. Before the mining can begin, the raw operational data has to be prepped through a process called KDD, or knowledge discovery in databases. Here, the messy, raw records are cleaned, transformed, and stripped of duplicate entries. All of this scrubbed data is then loaded into a centralized data warehouse, providing a massive, stable historical foundation for the system's data mining engine to get to work. Inside this engine, specialized descriptive algorithms, like a priori or the FP growth method, take over. These algorithms execute what is called market basket analysis. They evaluate the probability of different items co-occurring across hundreds of thousands of distinct shopping trips, mapping out the hidden links. But this creates an immediate problem. Out of billions of possible combinations, how to identify a reliable rule? Spotting a connection is entirely useless without a rigorous mathematical framework to verify its certainty. To prove these relationships, the system passes the data through a specific mathematical filter known as the pattern evaluation module. This chart shows the first metric the module calculates, called support. Support measures the raw frequency of a specific product combination occurring across the entire database, isolating high-volume pairings from a sea of random noise. Once a combination proves it has high support, the system calculates a second metric called confidence. Confidence measures conditional certainty. If the initial condition is met, meaning a laptop is placed in the cart, how statistically certain is it that the mouse will follow? Sometimes a rule passes both of these mathematical tests with flying colors, but remains entirely useless to the business. For example, the data might reveal a massive, highly confident correlation between customers buying diapers and infant formula. To handle this, the system relies on the knowledge base subsystem. Think of it as the engine's common sense filter. It is programmed with specific domain rules to deliberately eliminate widely known, trivial patterns that don't need to be highlighted. By stripping away the random coincidences and the obvious facts, the system successfully isolates novel, hidden correlations, like the phone charger and the screen protector, that offer genuine, untapped business value. This process allows engineers to mathematically validate correlations that would otherwise remain hidden from the business. At the end of the KDD pipeline lies the final step, knowledge presentation. This is where these validated association rules finally leave the database engine. The data is pushed outward to a highly visual user interface, often part of a decision support system, or DSS. Through these interactive dashboards, non-technical business managers engage with the findings directly. They use these insights to optimize their marketing efficiency, creating highly targeted product bundles based on proven consumer habits. These digital discoveries drive physical, real-world actions. Retailers will alter their brick-and-mortar store layouts to place the phone chargers right next to the screen protectors, and they will dynamically manage their supply chains to ensure both items are always in stock simultaneously. Every time a scanner beeps at the checkout counter, it registers a sale while simultaneously feeding a massive pattern evaluation engine. It trains algorithms to eliminate coincidence and mathematically predict human behavior.